The chapter is Profit and Loss for Standard 8, and this is the part 5. By selling a book for rupees 258, a bookseller gains 20%. For how much should he sell it to gain 30%? The selling price is equal to, first you have to write whatever data is given. So selling price is equal to 258, gain is equal to 20%. Now for how much should he sell it to gain 30%? So now selling price and gain is given. From this you can find the cost price. And the cost price will not change of any item. The cost price will not change, but the selling price will change according to the profit or loss that you have decided to take. So here the question is, how much should you sell the item, the book, if you want a gain of 30%? Right now he has sold it for 258, so he is getting a gain of 20%. So in case he wanted to gain 30%, what should be his selling price is what is the question is. So now for this, first we should find the cost price. So the cost price is equal to, again we will use the formula, cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into the selling price. Please write the formula. So 100 by 120 into 258. So if you cancel this, you will get 5 and this 6 and this 6 will go in this, and you will get it is equal to 215. Now you got the cost price. Now again you will find the selling price with this cost price and gain is 30, because he wants the gain to be 30%. So now cost price is equal to 215, gain is equal to 30%. So we will find the selling price is equal to, the formula is 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. So this is equal to 130 by 100 into 215. So this and this will get cancelled. 2 and this will be 43, and if you do 43 into 13, you will get 279.50. So this is the selling price at which he has to sell to get a gain of 30%. By selling a stool for rupees 67.5, 67 rupees 50 paise, a carpenter loses 10%. How much percentage would he gain or lose by selling it for rupees 82.5? So here the selling price is equal to rupees 67.5, loss is equal to 10%. So now again we will find the selling, we will find the cost price. So cost price is equal to, again 100 by, now it is loss, so 100 minus 10 into selling price 67.50, that is equal to 100 by 90 into 67.50. If you do the cancellation and do the simplification, you will get 75 rupees is the cost price. Now you have to, how much percentage would he gain or lose by selling it for 82.50? So cost price is 75, so CP is equal to 75 and SP is equal to 82.5. So the selling price is greater than the cost price, so it is a gain is equal to 82.5 minus 75, that is equal to 7.5 is the gain. Now we have to find the gain percentage. So gain percentage is equal to gain by the cost price. So the cost price is 75 rupees into 100. So you get as this is 10%. A sold a radio to B at a gain of 10% and B sold to C at a gain of 15%. A had bought it for 500. What did it cost to C? This is a very direct question. A had bought it for 500. So cost price of A is equal to rupees 500. So A is selling at a gain of 10%. So gain is equal to 10%. So his selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. So this will be 110 by 100 into 500. So if you cancel it like this, you will get 550. So this is the selling price of A. So this will be the cost price for B. So cost price of B is equal to selling price of A, that is equal to 550. And B is selling to C at a gain of 15%. So gain is equal to 15%. So his selling price will be 100 plus gain by 100 into cost price is 550. So this is equal to 115 by 100 into 550. So this is equal to 632.50. So the selling, so what did it cost to C means the cost price of C is rupees 632.5 because the selling price of B is the cost price of C. If the cost price of 18 chairs equals selling price of 16 chairs, find the gain or loss percent. So let the cost price of one chair is equal to rupee 1. So cost price of 18 chairs is equal to, so no need, cost price of one chair is equal to 1. Now this is equal to selling price of 16 chairs. Okay, cost price of 18 chairs is equal to rupees 18. Now this will be equal to selling price of 16 chairs. So selling price of 16 chairs is equal to cost price of 18 chairs. That is what is given. So this is equal to 18. So selling price of 16 chairs is 18. So selling price of one chair is equal to 18 by 16. So that is equal to, you can cancel it, you will get 9 by 8. This is the selling price of one chair. Now we have to find the gain or loss. Cost price, so we should always compare it with the same quantity. So cost price of one chair and selling price of one chair. So selling price of one chair is greater than cost price. 9 by 8 is 1 point something. So you can say profit is equal to 9 by 8 minus 1. That is equal to 9 minus 8 by 8. So 1 by 8. Taking the LCM. So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. So profit is 1 by 8 upon cost price of one chair. Because we are taking the selling cost price minus selling price, profit is for one chair. So cost price of one chair will be 1 into 100. So that is equal to 100 by 8. That is equal to, we will get it as 12.5 percentage.